Hey, this is Michael WX123 here, and this is going to be a review and playability for the Nike Hypervenom Phantom 2, the Floodlight Pack colorway. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video. The dynamic fit collar fits over the ankle for a sock-like feel that locks the foot in place. The Brio cable that is wrapped around the upper provides a responsive feel when playing on the field. The upper combined with Nike Skin and all conditions control technology to maintain for optimal touch in dry or wet weather conditions. The stud pattern is more like a conical cleats pattern, where it's more like rounded studs, which is designed for sudden changes of direction with faster release and maximum response. So the new Phantom 2, in my opinion, was a positive change because the previous upper of the Phantom 2 was really stiff and not a lot of people enjoyed the shoe because of it. Now, since the old honeycomb-like upper finally made its return, this should increase the softness of the upper and the barefoot-like touch, just like the Phantom 1. Personally, if you are a big fan of the Phantom 1, then this new upper for the Phantom 2 should be really similar to the touch and feel, just like the Phantom 1. So overall, if you enjoy the Phantom 1 just because of the Nike Skin upper, then the new Phantom 2 should be a good shoe for you. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated, and thanks for watching.